CompTIA Tech Plus Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 2.4. Given a scenario, install and configure common peripheral devices. Camera. A camera is a peripheral device that records video images using a digital sensor. It can be an external device connected through a wired or wireless interface, or it might be built directly into a device, like what you'll find on most smartphones, tablets, laptops, and even some smart TVs. Many cameras also include a built-in microphone, allowing them to capture both video and audio at the same time. The configuration options for a camera in Windows 11 mostly revolve around privacy. After all, no one wants their camera turning on without their permission. To make sure your camera is only used when you want it to be, open the Windows Settings tool, select Privacy and Security, and then click on Camera under App Permissions. From here, you can manage which apps are allowed to access the camera. Now, if you're trying to add a new camera, go to Bluetooth and Devices, then select Cameras. Windows will list any connected cameras and give you the option to troubleshoot, configure, or add a new one. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.